Hey everyone, welcome back. We are here at Rustlin Rob's Tex Gourmet Foods in Fredericksburg, Texas. Got my buddy Matthew here, and we're going to be taste testing a couple items. Today we've got our spicy venison snack sticks. Those have a really good flavor to them. Hopefully they're not too spicy. Also, we've got the Creme Brulee Pecans. We're going to be taste testing these today as well. You ready for this?
I'm ready.
All right, great. Here we go. Let's got some open here. Let's check this out. Why don't you grab you one of those? Got one for me. All right, you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. All right. Oh, flavors are really good on these.
Not too spicy.
Yeah, you're right. I'd maybe like 3 out of 10 or something spiciness.
Yeah.
Not too bad. What do you think? Let's maybe like cut some of this up with some cheese and some crackers or something.
Nice little appetizer for a party.
That'd be good. All right. Well, those are pretty good, guys. I'd have to recommend them. All right. Next up, we've got the Creme Brulee Pecans. All right. You ready for some of this? Let's try this. Here we go.
I had my dinner. I've got my dessert.
You got the sweet. There we go. Are you going for it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Oh, wow. Those are nice and sweet. Not too crunchy, but they got a nice crunch to them. They're pretty good. What do you think?
I really enjoy them. Maybe throw them on a pie.
Like a pie?
Mm-hmm.
I bet you they'd go good in like any kind of baking dish or anything. Maybe even chopped up or just whole. That'd be pretty good. Almost tastes like you're eating a creme brulee, you know?
Yeah.
It's got a really good creme brulee flavor to it. Anyways, if there's any items you guys would like us to taste, just go ahead and type it in the comments. Of course, it has to be in the store here. And we might just get a video and do some more taste testing. But that's all for today. Thanks for watching. And make sure to visit us online, okay, guys? Talk to you later. See ya.
Bye.
Why I got a freaking half bag of snack sticks right here? How am I supposed to record this?